Part two. So, how does your person's mother and their friends feel about you, and how do they view the actual connection? So, as I was saying before in part one, I feel as if there's an individual, it could be a friend, right? Or could be your person's mother, right? Please take what resonates. But for some of you, I'm hearing that you haven't met your person's mother yet. But there's a person that is very influential in your person's life, and they see you being in the situation, the connection with your person, as a hindrance to them. Because, as I mentioned before, this individual had a hold over your person, but now that you've come onto the scene, your person is growing in confidence. They're breaking free from this bind that this other person had over them, right? And this person is very determined to be like a third party. They're willing to push you out of the actual situation. And for some of you, this could be someone that actually feels like they should be, I'm hearing the word chosen, because now that you're on in the picture, I should say, they feel as if your person now has to juggle them with you. So maybe before you came onto the scene, this individual felt like they were a front runner to date your person, something of that sort. This person may also view you as being too different. So of course they're going to choose me, darling. The mirror, mirror on the wall. It's that type of energy. So they see you as a threat. There's a friend here that see, quote unquote, right, that sees you as a threat. For some of you, I feel as if, even if this person does not have romantic feelings for your person, I say your person, no one belongs to us, but just to make it easier, they feel like they could control your person, and your person was there for them, at every beck and call. But now that you're in the picture, they may feel like they're going to be at the bottom of the list. This person could be quite selfish, maybe your person lent this other person, this friend, money. But now that you're dating your person hasn't got the funds to help this actual friend, I feel like your person was very, very generous with this individual. But now they could be saying things like, I've got to take my partner out, I've got to take my girl out, or we're going on holiday, so I'm saving for holiday, or I've just booked a holiday, so I really can't help you right now. Or me and my partner, we're planning on doing a Tony Robinson course together. Just say, it's like an example, right? I feel like this individual may feel like this friend, it could be a bit of a user, they could feel like now that you're in the picture, your person doesn't have time for them. So in that respect, they may see you as a rival or a hindrance. For others of you, I feel like your person's mother may feel like, you know what, I want to actually get to know this person. Because when I started shooting part two, I was thinking about having a cup of tea. And I feel like your person's mother may feel like, you know what, I want to actually have a cup of tea with him or her. I want to actually maybe even go out. If your person's mother is the type that likes to go out to dine, etc., they may actually want to take you out, or they may want to have a family meal with you, or go out to a restaurant with you. But there's something around wanting that one-on-one time, or the three of you, yourself, your partner, and their mother, to have like maybe a coffee, maybe a cup of tea, or something like this. So that indicates that they actually want to get to know you. I'm hearing they're taking a liking to you. Your person's friends mother do actually see you as very beautiful. Regardless of if they agree with the connection or not, they cannot deny the fact that you're very beautiful. Or if you're a male listening to this, they find you to be very handsome as well. They feel like you take care of yourself. They feel as if you were to have children with your person, then the children will be, very good looking because of yourself and your person. So they also, I feel like this is a fear. For some of you, your person's mother or your person's friend fear that you will actually have a child with your person, or that you are going to get your person pregnant, is what I'm picking up. If you're a male listening to this is something that they may not want, is what I'm picking up. But for some of you, I feel like they may want this. They may feel like, you know what, your person is at that age where they should be actually settling down, So there's mixed feelings here. For some of you, your person's mother is like, you know what, I want to get to know them. I want to see if they're going to marry my son, you know, because I think my son is at the age where they should be thinking about getting married and having a child. So it's almost like your person's mother, for some of you, actually wants to make you happy so that you end up marrying their son and giving them grandchildren. For others of you, someone's mum may not want this to occur because they feel like they're going to be pushed out of the picture. It's not going to be about them anymore. Someone's friend also feels like you are their rival. Yeah, I feel as if there's a bit of sadness around this actual connection. Again, it has to do with people like someone's friend or mother feeling like they're going to be insignificant now that you are together with their friend, their child. It's just something that, I feel like the difference between yourself and your person did cause a lot of mental conflict for their mother at first and for their friends. And this is something that they're working through. This is something that they're trying to overcome, but it keeps creeping back up. For some of you, your person's mother has gotten over this. For some of you, this has not been an issue for your person's mother because your person's mother is very open and they accept people from all walks of life. But for others of you, your person's friends could be very judgmental and they feel like you could have like there could be a friend that's trying to encourage your person to leave you, not to invest in you, or they could be trying to point out, but they're different, and what's going to happen if you guys have kids, and like trying to be very negative. They're trying to sway your person from loving you, but it's too late because your person loves you. There's no doubt about it. Your person's mother and friends do see you as a star. And that's the thing as well. Some of their friends could be saying, or a specific friend could be saying to them, like, they're going to leave you for someone else. Look at them. What they actually mean is that you are very striking. You have star quality. I don't know if they'll say in those words, but you stand out, you know. So they could be trying to manipulate your person to make them feel like you're going to end up leaving them for someone that is of a certain caliber. I feel like for some of you, your person's friends, because this is the 11th house card, this is Aquarius card. Aquarius rules the 11th house of groups, clubs, organizations. I feel like your person's friends, they could tease your person like you're shooting above your weight, mate, type of thing. Or they could be actually bigging your person up, like, wow, like, so you got that guy, or you got that girl, like, could you hook me up with his friends or her friends, type of thing, because they see you as someone that is a star, basically. Now, some of you could be quite well known. You could be in the public eye, very popular amongst your peers, whatever group, club, or organization that you belong to. Could be very active on social media, could have a large following, but regardless of that fact, you do radiate star quality, a lot of charisma, and some of your person's friends are in awe of you. They are taken aback by you. They just assume that you could do something in the public eye, or you're very well known, but they do see you as very sparkly and shiny. I feel like, again, this is coming back up about the choices. Your person's friends may feel like, and siblings are coming into this now, they may feel as if, for some of you, your person made the right choice in choosing you. And for some of you, there are friends of your persons that are jealous that they have bagged someone like you. That doesn't really sound great, does it? They have been, maybe for some of you, your person's friends had a crush on you also, and you chose your person. So there's a hidden resentment there. Maybe your person's friends or Pacific friend was the one that gets all the girls or the guys, but you chose your person. And this is like baffling to them. Like, what have they got that I haven't got? And you're thinking, a lot, darling, a lot. So there's a bit of jealousy and animosity, hidden animosity between your person and specific friend or some sort of friendship group. Or your person's friends may feel like now that they're with you, they're going to be choosing you. They're not going to hang out with us anymore, but they do see the love. Your person's friends feel like your person is in love with you, and they feel like you love your person too, no matter the difference, no matter your background. This is true love. Your person's mother feels as if your person loves you deeply, and where does that leave them? There's a lot of fear for some of you There's a lot of fear. Even if your person's mother likes you, there's a fear that your person will leave them.